How to choose the right crane truck for your needs. Choosing the right truck for your needs can be a daunting task. After all, you need to make sure that what you're getting is exactly what you need and will do the job required of it. We have listed a few tips to help make sure you choose the right crane truck for your needs. Consider the size of the truck. Obviously, bigger isn't always better when it comes to these trucks. You need to make sure that what you're buying fits in with the space and project requirements you have. Check out the lift capacity. This is an important factor to consider when choosing one. You need to make sure that it has the ability to move your goods and materials safely as well as efficiently. Make sure you research prices. Don't just settle for the first truck you find. Spend some time comparing prices and features of different models to make sure you get the best deal. Extending your search online can help you find great deals. Customers always look for quality and value for money, and it is important to find a crane truck that ticks all these boxes. Sale offers and discounts can help you save even more money. Look into the safety features. Trucks should come with some form of safety feature, such as an emergency stop button or automatic shutoff when the truck is overloaded. Make sure these are up to standard before you purchase. Read reviews. Don't forget to read through customer reviews before buying a truck. This will help you understand the experiences other people have had with the product and can help you make an informed decision. By following these tips, you should be able to find the perfect truck for your needs. Good luck.